welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get AI meeting reminders in Google Calendar. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to get an AI meeting reminder in your Google Calendar, you need to use a third-party AI tool or service that integrates with your calendar. So as native AI reminder customization within Google Calendar is currently limited to basic smart features, you need to use a third-party AI tool. So you can simply use any of this AI tool like Reclaim AI, Sketch, or Talking Calendar Reminder. That is a Google extension. So you can use any one of it, and once you have used it, you can simply use this AI calendar to simply give you automatically scheduled time, like focus times, habits, and tasks around your meeting. Now it will also provide smart meeting management and scheduling feature. The services will optimize your schedule using AI and send reminders for these integrated tasks and time blocks, ensuring you stay on track. So this is how you can get AI meeting reminders in your Google Calendar. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.